Good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is nature of light. Okay, so you must be thinking that why we are going to discuss this irrelevant topic, because we were discussing about electron and atomic structure. So why suddenly light now? But dear children, this topic is absolutely relevant because whatever we know about the arrangement of electron in atom has came from the interaction of matter with light. So it is very necessary to understand the nature of light if we want to understand the interactions between matter and light. So that's why we are going to read this topic, nature of light. So about the nature of light, first theory is corpuscular theory. So what is corpuscular theory? This theory is given by Newton, and this theory says that light is composed of tiny particles known as corpuscles. So Newton proposed this theory known as corpuscular theory. According to this theory, light is composed of tiny particles known as corpuscles. So this is the belief of this theory, that light is composed of particle. Now, as we all know that about the properties of light, like reflection, refraction, interference and diffraction. So whatever the nature of light, it should show these four properties. Okay, but if we consider light as composed of a particle, it can't show the diffraction and interference, which is the basic property of light. It shows the reflection or refraction but can't explain the interference or diffraction. This theory successfully explained the phenomena reflection or refraction but failed to explain the phenomena of interference and diffraction. Therefore, this theory could not stand for a long time and was rejected soon. Now, talk about the properties of light: reflection and refraction, interference and diffraction. So you must know about these, reflection or refraction, because you have studied about this in 10th. So reflection, what is reflection? It is the bouncing back of light, okay, when the surface is smooth or shiny. What is reflection? Reflection is the bending of light when light enters from one medium to another. What is the interference? Interference is a process in which two or more light waves combine to reinforce or cancel each other. Okay, and what is diffraction? So like reflection, it is also a slight bending of light, but when it passes through a passes around the edges of an object. So these are the properties of light, and this theory explains only reflection and refraction but not interference and diffraction. That's why it could not stand for a long. So this is the corpuscular theory. Now we are going to discuss next theory about the nature of light. So this is wave theory. So what is wave theory? Wave theory actually given by Maxwell and considered light as a electromagnetic radiation or electromagnetic waves. Okay, so this theory is given by Maxwell. Maxwell gave this theory. The silent feature of this theory are as follows. Number one, the light is transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves. Okay, so according to this theory, light is transmitted in the form of electromagnetic waves. Now what is electromagnetic wave? So electromagnetic waves are associated with electric and magnetic field directed at right angles to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Okay, so what is electromagnetic waves? Electromagnetic waves are such waves which are associated with electric and magnetic field at right angle to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave, as it is clear from this diagram. In this diagram, this x axis shows the direction of propagation, okay, and this y axis shows the magnetic, the blue path shows the magnetic field component, and this right at the z axis, this red path shows the electric field component. So as you can see from this diagram, that electric field and magnetic field are at the right angle to each other, as it is clear from the y-axis and z-axis, and both these components are perpendicular to the direction of propagation, which is clear from the x-axis. Okay, so this is the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic waves are associated with electric field component, magnetic field component at the right angle with each other, and at the and perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Now third feature of wave theory is all electromagnetic waves travel with the same velocity, which is equal to the velocity of light. Okay, so the velocity of electromagnetic waves equals to the velocity of light. Last feature is electromagnetic waves do not require any medium for propagation or transmission. As we know that sunlight reaches to us through space where no medium is present, so we can say that electromagnetic waves do not require any medium for propagation. So this is the second theory about the nature of light, wave theory. Okay, this theory says that light is wave, not a particle.